In this video, we are going to review the Juul's Lab class action settlement email. For that, make sure that you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So what we're gonna do is gonna review the website first and then go to review the online forums and different sort of global forums where the people have reviewed this website and their experience. So what they are saying is, if you bought a Juul product in the United States on or before December 7th, 2022, you may be eligible to receive a payment from a 300 million settlement. For additional information about the payment, please check the FAQ page. So what is this lawsuit about? The lawsuit alleges that the plaintiffs paid more for Juul products than they would have paid if accurate information about Juul products' addictiveness and safety had been provided. The lawsuit also alleges that the Juul products were unlawfully marketed to the minors. The court has not decided whether any defendant violated any laws. So in order to be eligible for that, what you have to do is to be eligible class member must file a claim to receive money from the settlement. Eligible class member only need to file one claim to receive payment from the two settlement in this case. If you already submitted a claim for the first settlement, you do not need to submit another to receive the payment from the new settlement. If you do nothing, you will still be bound by the settlement and the lawsuit, and your rights will be affected. If you want to opt out, you must do so February 5, 2024. If you want to object, you must do so by February 6, 2024. So these are some important dates. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to the contact forum right over here and see what the contact details they have provided. So here is the complete address for the Juul's Lab. This is the number for the call, which is available from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. PST, Monday to Friday except holidays. So this is the email address, you can contact them. So let's get into the reviews. Here, so on the Reddit, I have read about different sort of reviews. Anyone gets emails today about the Juul's class section. So the people saying that I got two about an hour apart, both with different case numbers and verification IDs. My original claim in January listed PayPal, but now they are waiting me to choose between prepaid, card, Venmo, or direct deposit. I have input my phone number many times and never got a verification code. When I click the link to do the email in form instead, it's one page and totally blank. I actually just called the toll-free number on the website and the verification code came in then from a random number that I requested almost 2 hours ago. I put the code in and that it told me that it was incorrect. Kind of feel like that it's intentional, so claims that night, but who knows on anyone else in the same boat. So here when we go down, we see that the people are claiming the same thing. Just dropping in to say that I'm also not able to receive the code. Hopefully they get this fixed. Number second is update. Just received 10 calls nearly an hour later. Of course, I heard I had already closed out of it, and when I went back into it, get it done, I was given an error that my number had been used too many times. Second edit is the person used his phone number, and after that he gets the call in 10 minutes and was able to confirm a code. A bit of an uneventful ending as there was nothing else to fill in after that. So shit, no email from them so far for me. I haven't heard Jack since like 13 months ago. Sad part is even the people that provided proof won't receive much more than a couple of hundreds. Over 14 million claims, $200 times 14 million is 280. Subtract lawyer fees and it won't be even more than $100 each. So that's pathetic. So this is not a scam. Juul is not a scam, but the number of claims are just too much. So for example, for the 200 million claim, for 14 million lawsuit settlement, you people have like 14 million claim, and for subtracting the fees of the lawyers, the people will only get like $100 each. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.